Hi, and welcome to the NSO for adult learners. Today we are going to learn how to add an attachment to one of your classes. So once you're logged into your course, you can go to your content page, which will show you all of the table of contents on the left. And here we're going to learn how to add an attachment. So in your classes, you can click on the assignment and add your attachment. Your attachment can be from a link, an existing activity, Google Drive, OneDrive. We're going to just click on upload, which is going to be from a desktop, and it can be anything. I'll put a syllabus in here. Then you'll click update, and then I'll say saved successfully. And that's how you upload your document to an assignment in one of your courses.